my dear student, welcome to my YouTube channel that Odisha Digital Learning. Today we discuss the question answer of from the formalizer in class 10. So let's start. The first question: what is this poem about? Is about Vicky's death in a road accident and preservation his brain in a formalizer. Second question: where is Vicky Brilliant's brain? Answer: Vicky Brilliant's brain is in the jar. तब भिकीर ब्रिलियंट ब्रेन कईटू अच्छी ना जार भितर अच्छी. थर्ड क्वेश्चन व्हाई इज द ब्रेन पुट इनसाइड द फॉर्मलिन जार. आंसर: फॉर प्रिजर्वेशन द ब्रेन इज पुट इनसाइड द फॉर्मलिन जार सो द पीपल गेट नॉलेज अबाउट इट. तबे ब्रेन टी कोड रखाई ना फॉर्मालिन जार भितर रखाई कौन पाई ना लोक मान सेठू किसी ता पाखरु ज्ञान आहरण करिया पई ताको फॉर्मालिन जार भितर रखाई. देन क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 व्हाट डज आई रेफर टू इन द पोएम. तो आई एटी काहाकू रेफर करूछि. आंसर हे जिवो हेयर आई इज रेफर टू द भिकीस ब्रिलियंट ब्रेन हु इज इन द जार. तने एटी आई काहाकू रेफर करूछि ना भिकीर ब्रिलियंट ब्रेन को रेफर करूछि जोटा कि जे कि जार मध्ये रो अछि. Question number 5 how does the brain feel inside the jar. Answer: inside the jar the brain feels that it is being insulted to be called a specimen. ताने ताको कौन इंसल्ट होतला कौन पाई ना जे ताको स्पेसिमेन हिसाब डाकुतले तेन ताको जार मध्ये रही ताको इंसल्ट लागुतला. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 what is the brain talking about human 2 years ago. Answer होची the brain is talking about Vicky who was living human 2 years ago. Question number 7 what does the brain say about Vicky. Answer होबो the brain say about Vicky was a strong and healthy boy. ताले ब्रेन कोन कुए ना Vicky विषय ना से जने हेल्दी और स्ट्रांग बॉय थिला. Question number 8 do you think that Vicky and his brilliant brain are two person? Why? No, Vicky and his brilliant brain are two person because 2 years ago the brain was a part of Vicky's. Question number 9 which were Vicky's favorite subject. ताल तार आंसर हे जिवो मैथमेटिक्स एंड कंप्यूटर्स were his favorite subject. Okay. Question number 10 what was the motto of his life. Answer: without work hard anyone cannot reach his destination. Without work hard anyone cannot reach his destination was the motto of his life. Question number 11 was Vicky good at studies. How do you know this? Yes, Vicky was good at studies. We know from the lines that computer and math were his domain. Question number 12 Vicky loved his parents. Which line says so? Answer: Vicky's love for his parents was truly insane. This line saw that Vicky's love his parents. Question number 13 देखो question number 13 which word say that the Vicky loved his grandmother very much. ता जेजेमा को बहुत भल पाउतला. तो आंसर हे जिवो the word adored so that Vicky loved his grandmother very much. Okay. तापर देखो question number 14 what else besides studies did Vicky do during his college day. ताले Vicky तारो कॉलेज समय रे कोन करूथला. besides studies Vicky stole a glance at Lawrence during his college day. Besides who was Lawrence. Lawrence किए why did classmate of Vicky he stole a glance at her because he liked to her beautiful appearance. Then what does the poet say that only the brain could explain the cause of Vicky's heartbeat? Third. Answer होगा ताले the poet said that only the brain could explain the cause because it is a living part of human and directly related to heart. तापर देखो question number 17. Read the stanza 5 and stanza 6 again. What they about? How are they different from other? Answer होगा देखो stanza 5 and stanza 6 describe how Vicky's precious life came to end when he met an accident. The other sorry डेटा हबनी भूले by mistake लिख दीजिए. The other about the difference except of Vicky's life is not his accidental death. तापर क्वेश्चन 18 where was Vicky reading when and why? Answer Vicky was reading his bike to his friend's house in the next lane. He was reading his bike on a wet monsoon day for ordinary work. तापर क्वेश्चन नंबर 19 तापर क्वेश्चन नंबर 19 Where was his friend's house? Was it very far? Answer is his friend's house was in the next lane. No, it was no far. सेटा दूर नथिला पाखर थिला ता कोडा सांगर घरटा पाखर थिला. तापर क्वेश्चन नंबर 20 Why did he go to his friends? से कोन पाई ता सांग घर जाइथिला कि कोन से इंपोर्टेंट नथिला एमिति बुलिया से जाइथिला. क्वेश्चन नंबर 21 Question number 21. What caused the accident? Which word in the poem describe the accidents? The answer wear helmet while riding bike to his friend's house. That is cause for accident. The word gory and inhuman. The word gory and inhuman in the poem describe the accident. Next question number 22. What meaning does the line for once from wearing helmet he did refrain convey while riding his bike? तो आंसर है जीवो the line for once from wearing helmet he did refrain convey that Vicky did not wear his helmet for once. Yes, it was Vicky's habit to wear helmet while riding his bike. तापर देखो क्वेश्चन नंबर 23. How did the accident affect Vicky and his family? Answer when Vicky was dead with an accident his family suffered a critical sad situation. In this way the accident affected Vicky and his family. देख 23 नंबर हिजटा डबल से गोटे गोटे ही लिख बाय मिस्टेक डबल तापर क्वेश्चन नंबर 24 व्हाट मेसेज डज द पोएट हैव फॉर ए यंग जनरेशन थ्रू दिस पोएम? द आंसर हम द एक्सीडेंट्स आर ऑफन कॉज्ड ड्यू टू केयरलेस ऑफ यंग जनरेशन एंड also adult. So the poet say that take care yourself and avoid risky driving. Okay. तापर question number 25. Can you say cause death every moment? Answer is dreadful accident occur on road and cause death because every moment due to incidents of traffic violation and lack of awareness about the safety rules. 26. Suggest some way to reduce road traffic injuries. The answer of people should be know and obey the traffic rules and the traffic police should punish the violator. तो कौन ना लोक माने कौन ट्रैफिक रूल को मानिबा और जानिबा नित्यंत आवश्यक तापर आउ कौन ना ट्रैफिक पुलिस मध्य से पानिश कौ मान पानिश देवे जो मैंने तार नियम विरोध में कार्य करेंगे। सो आई थिंक तुम ये वीडियो बहुत हेल्पफुल हम। तो लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल। थैंक्स फॉर वाचिंग।